Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how healthy food helps our bodies and brain grow strong. Good food gives us energy to learn, strength to grow, protection from germs, a happy and active body. Let's discover 20 health food superpowers and become healthier, smarter and stronger every day. Let's power up. Let's start. Blueberries, brain boosters. These tiny blue fruits may be small, but they have giant brain power. Blueberries help improve memory, concentration, and learning skill. They are packed with antioxidants that protect your brain cells and keep them healthy. Eating blueberries can help you stay focused during school and homework. Super Kid Lesson: Healthy brains love colorful fruits. Amazing fact: some scientists call blueberries brain berries. Eggs, focus fuel. Eggs are packed with protein and nutrients that help your brain stay alert and focused. A healthy breakfast with eggs can help you pay attention in class and remember new information. Whether boiled, scrambled, or in an omelette, eggs are a powerful start to your day. Super Kid Lesson: Breakfast powers your super brain. Amazing fact: your brain uses lots of energy every morning. Fish, smart thinking fuel. Fish like salmon contain healthy fats called omega-3 that help your brain grow strong. These special nutrients support memory, learning, and problem-solving skills. Fish can also help you stay focused during school and activities. Eating fish regularly helps keep your heart and body healthy. Super Kid Lesson: Healthy fats help build healthy brains. Amazing fact: your brain is made up of nearly 60% of fat. Bananas, instant energy booster. Bananas provide quick natural energy for sports, school, and playtime. They are rich in potassium, which help muscles work properly. Bananas help keep you active and ready for fun activities. They are easy to carry, make a healthy snack anytime. Super Kid Lesson: Natural snacks give natural energy. Amazing fact: bananas are one of the world's most popular fruit. A banana can help give you energy before sports and exercise. Carrot, super vision helpers. Carrots contain vitamin A, which supports healthy eyesight. Healthy eyes help you read books, play games, and explore the world around you. Carrots help keep your eyes strong and healthy. They also support healthy skin and overall growth. Super Kid Lesson: Orange food helps keep your eyes healthy. Amazing fact: rabbits love carrots, but humans need them too. Carrots can be eaten raw, cooked, or added to tasty salad and soups. Oranges, immunity shields. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, which helps your body fight germs. Strong immunity helps you stay active and healthy. Oranges help your body heal and recover faster. They also keep your skin healthy and glowing. Super kid lesson. Fruit help your body defend itself. Amazing fact. Vitamin C help your body heal faster. One orange can provide a big boost of vitamin C for the day. Spinach. Spinach contains iron and important nutrients that help your muscle grow stronger. It also helps carry oxygen throughout your body. Spinach helps give you energy for sports, games and learning. It supports healthy growth and keep your body strong. Super kid lesson. Green foods build strong bodies. Amazing fact. Spinach helps your body make energy. Spinach can be eaten in salad, sandwiches, soup and smoothies. Milk, bone builder. Milk contains calcium and vitamin D, which help build strong bones and teeth. Strong bones help you run, jump, dance and play. Milk helps your body grow healthy and strong. It also supports strong teeth and a bright smile. Super kid lesson. Strong bones create strong superheroes. Amazing fact. Your bones keep growing as you grow. Drinking milk every day can help keep your bones strong for many years. Nuts, brain snacks. Nuts are packed with healthy fats, protein and vitamin that help your body grow strong. They give you lasting energy for learning, playing and sports. Nuts help support brain health and concentration. They also help keep your heart healthy and strong. Super kid lesson. Small snacks can have big superpower. Amazing fact. Different nuts provide different nutrients to help your body. Nuts are great, healthy snack that can keep you full and energized. Apples, everyday health heroes. Apples are full of fiber and vitamins that help keep your body healthy. They give you natural energy and help support good digestion. Apples help keep your heart strong and healthy. They are crunchy, tasty snack for school and playtime. Super kid lesson. Healthy snacks help your body stay strong. Amazing fact. Apple floats in water because they are mostly made of water. There are thousands of different kinds of apple grown around the world. Water, the ultimate super drink. Water is one of the most important things your body needs. It helps your brain think clearly and keep your body cool and energized. Water helps you stay focused in school and during activities. It keeps your muscles and body working properly all day. Super kid lesson. Drink water throughout the day. Amazing fact, your body is mostly made of water. Drinking enough water can help you feel more active and refreshed. Strawberries, vitamin champions. Strawberries are packed with vitamin C and other nutrients that help keep your body healthy. They help support your immune system and keep you feeling strong. Strawberries help your skin stay healthy and glowing. They are sweet, juicy, and make a delicious healthy snack. Super Kid lesson. Colorful fruits help your body grow strong. Amazing fact. The tiny seed on the outside of a strawberry are actually its fruits. One strawberry has about 200 tiny seeds on its surface. Whole grain, long-lasting energy. Whole grain provide long-lasting energy to help you learn, play, and stay active. They are rich in fiber, which help keep your digestive system healthy. Whole grain helps you feel full and energized for longer. They support healthy growth and give your body important nutrients. Super Kid lesson. Healthy energy helps you do your best every day. Amazing fact. Whole grain contain all part of the grain, making them extra nutritious. Food like oatmeal, brown rice, and whole wheat bread are whole grains. Avocado, healthy fat heroes. Avocados are full of healthy fats that help your brain and body stay strong. They provide important nutrients that support growth and learning. Avocados help keep your heart healthy. They give you lasting energy for schools, sports, and playtime. Super Kid lesson. Healthy fat help your body work its best. Amazing fact. Avocados are actually fruit, not vegetables. Avocados have more potassium than bananas. Beans, strength builders. Beans are packed with protein, fiber, and nutrients that help your body grow strong. They provide steady energy for learning, playing, and exercising. Beans help build strong muscles and support healthy growth. They also keep your tummy healthy and happy. Super Kid lesson. Protein help build strong bodies. Amazing fact. There are thousands of different types of beans grown around the world. Beans can be added to soups, salad, and many tasty meals. Sweet potatoes, energy champion. Sweet potatoes are packed with vitamins, fiber, and healthy carbohydrates that give your body energy. They help keep you active and ready for learning, sports, and play. Sweet potatoes support healthy eyes and strong immunity. Cucumber, hydration helpers. Cucumbers are full of water, helping your body stay cool and hydrated. They are light, refreshing, and packed with important nutrients. Cucumber help keep your skin healthy and fresh. They support digestion and help your body stay energized. Super Kid lesson. Staying hydrated helps your body work better. Amazing fact. Cucumber are about 95% water. Cucumber can help keep you cool on hot summer days. Grapes, quick energy fruits. Grapes are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help keep your body healthy. They provide natural energy to help you stay active throughout the day. Grapes help support heart health and overall well-being. They are sweet, juicy, and make a delicious healthy snack. Super Kid lesson: small fruit can have big healthy benefit. Grapes grow in bunches on vines. There are many colors of grapes including green, red, purple, and black. Cheese, tooth protector. Cheese is rich in calcium and protein, which help build strong bones and teeth. It gives your body important nutrient for health growth. Cheese help keep your teeth strong and healthy. It provides energy to help you learn, play, and stay active. Super Kid lesson: strong bones help you do amazing things every day. Cheese is made from milk and comes in many different varieties. Cheese can be enjoyed in sandwiches, salad, and many tasty meals. Eat the rainbow. Colorful nutrition champions. Eating fruits and vegetables of many colors gives your body different vitamins and nutrients. Each color has special power that help you grow strong and healthy. Red foods help support your heart. Green food help build strong bodies, and orange food help keep your eyes healthy. Super Kid lesson: the more colors on your plate, the more nutrient you get. Amazing fact: different colored food and vegetable contain different healthy nutrients. A colorful plate is often a healthier plate. Well done kids, now let's revise all the healthy food superpower for kids. Brain food help me think smarter every day. A healthy breakfast keeps me super focused. Smart food help me my brain grow stronger. Natural foods give me energy to play and learn. Colorful vegetables help protect my eyes. Vitamin-rich fruits help my body fight germs. Green food help build strong muscles. Calcium helps make my bones and teeth stronger. Healthier snacks power my brain and body. Fresh fruit help me stay active. Water in my body super fuel. Bright fruit are packed with powerful vitamins. Whole grain give me long-lasting energy. Healthy fat help my brain stay sharp. Protein food help me grow stronger every day. Natural foods fuel my big adventure. Hydrating food keeps me refreshed and energized. Healthy snack give me a quick natural energy. Strong teeth start with smart food choices. Eating the rainbow give my body every superpower it needs. Great job kids! Now you know the amazing superpower of healthy foods. Remember, eating healthy food every day helps you grow strong, smart, and full of energy. Keep making healthy choices and become a healthy food superhero. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep shining. Great job kids! Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Till then.